How to download GTA 4 in PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To download your GTA 4, launch your preferred browser in your PC. In the search bar, search for GTA 4. Scroll down until you see the official web page of your Rockstar Games with your Grand Theft Auto 4. You'll be redirected to the page for your Grand Theft Auto 4, in where you will find the latest edition or the old ones as well. You can check out news, videos, and more. To get yourself your GTA 4, tap on the Buy Now option in your left hand side. It will redirect you to a new page. Again, scroll down and select on Buy Now. Right now, it is $19.99. To begin with the process, just tap on the Sign In button and log in into your Rockstar account. That is the email and your password. After which you will have to select a payment method. In the case of PayPal, you need to log in into your PayPal account with the given credentials. If you select on the debit or credit card option, enter your credentials such as card number, security code, and your expiration date along with the billing address. After which you will get yourself to download your GTA 4. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.